I happened to be driving around on this nice rainy day, and I saw this poor soul on the side of the road hitchhiking. I decided to pick him up. Here to find out, he's a fellow YouTuber. So we made a day of it. Absolutely.
There we go. So this is like a buddy cop film.
It's a buddy cop. Yeah, exactly. All right. So welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're here with Inspire John at the Pennsylvania State Police Museum.
Yeah, we almost got pulled over on the way over here.
We did. Yeah, no, that was great. Well, going 80 mile an hour on a 45 is kind of risky. But we did outrun them, so that's good.
Yeah.
All right.
It's the Prius. That was the problem.
Yeah, the Prius. Absolutely. Yeah. All right. Well, here we go. So come on along and see what we can see.
No, it's fine. It looks like he's crying. It's okay. He was running really fast, but he caught me. And I don't think I was going that fast. I mean, I don't know. How fast can you go? Because that's about as fast as I was going. You're like, yeah, it's not a real cop.
Okay, this is the inside of the museum. A lot of good history. Really neat displays.
Not weird.
Inspired John's bed with all of his toys.
That's right. That's Susan from Susan's Creatives. I borrowed the handcuff.
Oh, gotcha. That makes a lot of sense now. Yeah, they got him already.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Gestapo.
Gestapo who?
We'll be asking the questions here.
They have sections on here devoted to the dogs. Here's my weekend outfit.
Weekend? You're wearing the same thing right now?
They even have a section devoted to Inspired John's relatives. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we knew it was inevitable. See you, John.
Go tell the whole thing.
And look, they have Rachel Rawson's outfit. Look familiar?
Look better on my floor. Here we've uncovered an actual piece of Jamie's family history. This was the actual garden cultivator that it was a shiv actually used by his great-grandfather. He got 3 people and then they jumped in. Yeah.
That's what happens when your balls are weighted. You go to jail. Now here's where Inspired John did a very wonderful commentary on the Pennsylvania State Police and how they were involved in the United Flight 93 September 11th crash. So go over to Inspired John's channel and check out what he had to say. It is very inspiring. Seriously. Huh. How did they know we were coming? And for those who are curious, yes, they do have restrooms in here that are handicapped accessible. Go, John, go! John's going to the John. Got all your paperwork done?
Thank God they had a sink.
And out here, they do have a lot of merch for you to go through. Really nice stuff.
So, it is your right to record the whole thing that's going on right now.
They have a lot of collectible toys.
Great piece of Pennsylvania State police history is this is the first trooper that actually arrested Yankee from Yankees Outdoor Adventures. This was in 1905. Yep. But he looks good for his age.
Thank you for coming along with me and Inspired John to the Pennsylvania State Museum. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.
Ring the bell too. It's a good idea.